In this video, I'll go deep into dropshipping product research. It's Rolland Peter here from Power to Scale, where we help you with actionable strategies to build, grow, and scale your business. If you are new here, make sure to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any single video from me. Stay tuned. I would like to normally start with an affirmation. If you don't mind, you can repeat after me. I consistently have more than enough and more to meet all of my needs and wants. I consistently have more than enough and more to meet all of my needs and wants. I consistently have more than enough and more to meet all of my needs and wants. In this video, you will discover how to carry out a dropshipping product research to find winning products. If you stay to the end, you will learn my best strategy to gauge the trend of any product that you want to sell, as you don't want to waste time and money launching products that have already played out. Let's jump into it. We're going to be dropshipping products from Aliexpress, so it makes sense that we start our product research from Aliexpress. To be quite honest with you, Aliexpress is just enough if you know how to use it to find a product that you want to drop ship. So I believe this tool is enough to conduct your product research. I'm logged into my Dropshipping Center. So on your back end, the back end of your account, if you don't have the Dropshipping Center on your account already, there's going to be a prompt for you to join the Dropshipping Center, and it's pretty straightforward. Just accept their terms and follow the on-screen instructions, so you'll be given access to the Dropshipping Center. I normally do two things here at the Dropshipping Center. The first one is to find product to sell. You click to find product to sell, and I'm going to walk you through how to use this product analysis, how to analyze products. You have a whole lot of things here at the Dropshipping Center. Focus on only find product to sell and product analysis. You can search by image. If you found an image if you found a product on your news feed and you want to find the supplier, you can copy the image and upload it here. Then you have sponsored products. My guess would be that these guys have paid to have their listings placed here at the Dropshipping Center. So for hot selling product, there are a lot of things to consider here. If you want to find a product that ships from Spain, from Italy, from Turkey, from Russia, you just click on any of them. Enter a keyword to find a specific or a particular product. Then you can search by product category. You can actually select the category and the subcategory. Then you can select by less than 10 days delivery time. It's just going to switch the listings to show us the ones that have 10 days, less than 10 days delivery time. Then we have a minimum price here, maximum price. You just have to play around with it. Remember, we are trying to conduct research here to find a product to sell. And here are the general rules or guidelines that you will need to be aware of when you are trying to find a product to sell. The product must solve a problem, must solve a very common problem that people have. Or better still, it has a wow factor like this fidget spinner, and the product is not commonly found in stores and is trending up, the product should have at least 3K orders on Aliexpress. So these are the general rules, and you should be able to sell the product for 3 times the price. These are just the general rules you should use when conducting a research of this magnitude to find one winning product that you want to launch, or just to build a product Rolodex. You can see the products, the prices, the orders. These are customer orders. Then these are dropshipping orders. Then these are the rating, the sales performance, and the action if you want to analyze the product. Let's just take, for example, we're looking to sell, let's just scroll around, sell what you know and what you are confident that you can sell. Don't just drop any random product hoping that you'll be able to sell it. So let's say we want to sell this blackhead remover. You can see that this product actually ships from Australia, Czech Republic, Poland, China, Russia Federation, even from the United States. This product ships even from the United States. And they have high quality images that you can use on your product page. This product is looking good as far as I'm concerned. Then the other thing you want to do is to click on the reviews. From the reviews, you can see that they have 79% 5-star reviews, customer reviews. And they have 571 photos, which is really good. So when you click through, you'll see customer pictures. These images you can include in your product landing page to give your store some credibility. So, and this product is decently priced. Let's go back to Dropship Center. So I'm back to the Dropship Center. This product has 13,000 plus orders already, which is very good. So what I will do is to click on Analyze. Analyze. All right, so we have some interesting stats here. This product is still trending in the 80 mark, well above 50, 60 mark. And they are doing between 77 orders, 40. They are doing decent orders every day. This is a perfect example of the kind of product you can sell. Look at the sales, the overview of the sales volume over time from when this product was launched. So it has a decent sales volume. In terms of logistics, Aliexpress have graded this product as below average. But once you gain traction and you have a lot of sales behind your belt, you can get a dropshipping agent to start helping you to fulfill orders quickly. And something else you can do is this. Go and look for this same product in another site called Banggood. Okay, you can search for this product here. There are different varieties of that same product here on Banggood. They have it in stock. They ship in 24 hours. But if you come back to Aliexpress, their processing time is 7 days. This is the time they will take to source the product and post it. So if these guys are going to ship within 24 hours, it means you have saved 6 days that goes into the period to actually deliver that good. So, and they are estimating that the product will arrive within 15 to 20 business days, which is quite good. So you can actually use Aliexpress to find the product, then come to Banggood to use them as your fulfillment agent. That's the way you can go about that if you want to do it, or if you just want to order the product directly from Aliexpress. This is how you conduct research using Aliexpress. They have a lot of products here. Take your time to browse one after the other, and I would recommend that you build a Rolodex of at least 20 proven products that are trending up. Then another thing you can do is to be sure that you are selling a product that has not played out. You can go to Google Trends. On Google Trends, you just type in here blackhead remover, is trending up over time for the past 12 months. This is how you conduct product research using one platform, which is Aliexpress, from where you're going to be drop shipping your products from, and using Google Trends to actually gauge the trend of that particular product. Keep your product research very simple. Don't overthink it. And I will advise that you start your product research first thing in the morning. The starting point is on Aliexpress Dropshipping Center. Then use Google Trends to gauge the trend, if it is in an upward trajectory or if it is a downward trend. Then you make a decision from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will personally answer them for you. If you like this video, remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification each time I upload a new video. I have a free PDF that will help you to find winning products, titled The Ultimate Winning Product Blueprint, and the link is in the description below. Feel free to join my free Facebook group for more resources, and most especially get to hang out with like-minded people. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Just keep watching.